Have you ever heard the saying, birds of a feather flock together? That phrase is over 500 years old. It first showed up in writings back in the 1540s. It came from watching nature, how birds of the same kind always fly and group together. And you'll see it play out in your own backyard flock. Chickens stick with chickens and ducks prefer to stay with ducks. They might share a space, but they form separate groups by instinct, not by force. Chickens peck, scratch, and roost. Ducks move in a pack, splash in water, and sleep low to the ground. Each species speaks its own language, and that's why they flock with their own kind. So when you see two little groups in your yard, just remember, birds of a feather really do flock together, just like they always have.